Hey everyone, it's Mike Blackburn from Combined Building Supplies Cooperative. We're out here at South Island Field Days today. We're really looking forward to meeting some people out here. It's a beautiful day out here on the South Island, and we're really looking forward to sharing our story with you guys. I'm with Ken, who's a CBS shareholder. G'day mate, how are you? Good to see you out here. Hey, tell us a little bit about what you do.
Our company's called AgMatch. It's a big online farmers buying group.
Yep.
Really. We negotiate better prices for farmers for their inputs. They're often paying too much, and they need to work together to get better prices, which is what we do. Which is very similar to what you do.
Great.
We've joined up with you guys, and it's a great connection. We're delighted.
Fabulous. And you're wearing one of your products today. Tell us a little bit about this.
I am. Well, what we do with this is we've got a lot of members, and the farmers are getting sort of hammered with their wool.
Yeah.
A better description. And so I've had 40 plus years experience in wool manufacture. So farmers with this program are funding their own wool and getting a really good commercial return.
Great.
So, for example, this particular type of wool is hoggets and lambs wool, 30 to 32.5 micron.
Yep.
The return on farm for this, after all costs, is $25 plus. Kilo.
Fabulous, great.
Which, considering they're getting $2, $1.50, it's actually pretty good.
Right. And of course, you mentioned it before, the whole idea of bringing people together so that collectively they can do better than they can individually is exactly what we're doing with the co-op, isn't it? So
yes, it's a good concept and it works. It's simple.
Mike from McEwen's Fuel. G'day, mate. How are you?
Hey, Mike.
Very good. Hey, look, we're really pleased to have you guys as a supplier to the co-op. Tell us a little bit about the deals that CBS shareholders get.
Hey, well, first of all, McEwen's is a private distributor, been in business now. I think we're in our 58th year, and we're just about to open our 50th fuel stop around the South Island. But the great news is that the card also works at all the Caltex and Z truck stops, so it gives you the biggest network in New Zealand on one card at one price New Zealand wide. So,
right,
yeah.
and of course, I mean, we have shareholders right across the country, so how many truck stops can you use this card at?
180 plus. I think it's 182, but I don't want to be corrected. But it's 180 plus New Zealand wide.
Right.
Yeah.
And one of the things that I tell people is that I reckon that you guys are the absolute cheapest price for diesel in New Zealand. What's the current price per litre?
Well, a good thing for CBS is we treat you like one big company. So it means just like with CBS, you get a really good deal that maybe big commercial companies will get. Today, the price is $1.71.9 New Zealand wide, including GST. And it's 14 cents off our national price.
Right. And of course, look on the way out here, I was just sort of checking the price on some of the petrol stations we drove past, and look around sort of Canterbury at the moment, I'm sort of seeing prices of $2.05, $2.06. So at that price there, it's an absolute massive saving. So look, we thoroughly encourage if you're a CBS shareholder and you've got a diesel ute, which most people do, to sort of sign up for McEwen's and have a fuel card. So look, really great to be out here, Mike, and really pleased to have you guys as a partner to CBS. Gosh, I think they've had sort of 20,000 people out here over the last couple of days. So sort of plenty of farmers and sort of tradies, so really great sort of place to be. So look, if you're interested in getting a discount on anything to do with building supplies or diesel or anything like that, then CBS Cooperative is something you need to have a look at. So great to be out here today, and a beautiful Canterbury day, and looking forward to talking to some more people. And I'm here with Ruben from Service. G'day, mate. How are you?
Good, thanks, Mike.
Very good. Now, listen, hey, you guys have been a supplier to the co-op literally since day one. Tell us a little bit about Service and what you guys do.
So, for Combined Building Supplies, we are preferred land surveying service provider. Provide topo surveys, building set-outs, building location certificates. Anyone that's in the development game as well, we can do the subdivisions and all the work. So that's what we do, and that's what we supply to CBS.
Right, and of course, I've done a little bit of work with you guys as well, and I know the type of stuff you do. So subdivisions and sort of survey points and bits and pieces, and that's really important to builders, isn't it?
Yes, important to builders and architects, designers, everyone in the game. You got to get you're building in the right spot for a start.
Yeah.
And make
Set
sure
out
your levels
points
are
and
right.
yep.
All that sort of thing. So that's where we can help. We cover off the whole lot. And when it comes to doing a development, if you're building a couple of townhouses or whatever it may be, we do the whole thing from way to go. So,
Right. Now I know you guys are you're based in Christchurch, but you guys are sort of all over the place, aren't you?
Yep. We'll go largely Canterbury based, but we'll go anywhere for.
Right. But you've
for
also
our
do
people.
some work in Auckland as
Yes.
well.
Yeah, we cover off, do work in Auckland. Yep, we've got a team that we fly in and fly out of there. So that operation works well as well. So yep, we cover off both Auckland and Christchurch.
Fabulous. All right. So look, if you're in the building game and you need sort of any sort of surveying work done, I thoroughly recommend Service. So nice to see you out here, Ruben, and you've got a great stand here too.
Thanks, Mike. It's good to see you.
Good as gold, mate. Thank you. Working hard, mate. You got to support the locals. Okay, so look, that's a wrap from us here at South Island Field Days. Gosh, what a fabulous turnout. I don't think I've ever seen so many utes and trucks in one place at one time. But look, it's a fabulous day down here, and really good to sort of get amongst the rural community and sort of talk about CBS and the benefits that we can provide. So really good to be down here, and looking forward to talking to you all again.